Welcome to Countdown to Christmas Crafting with Mom MD Hawaii. Today we're going to do some personalized clipboards which make really cute, fantastic gifts just in time for Christmas. The first step is, of course, to cut out your design using Design Space and your vinyl cutter. I used some adhesive foil. The next step you're going to do is you want to burnish or rub your transfer tape on top of whatever design you're going to put onto your clipboard. And you can see here I'm just rubbing it using my special Cricut tool, my scraper. And then you peel off the paper backing off of the back of your design. And in this case, because it's a gift for one of my daughter's friends, I chose to make a unicorn that I got for free from lovesvg.com. They have some really great designs and pictures, and this time I chose a unicorn. Then you turn it around and you lay it out where you want it on top of your clipboard. Once you have it where you want it, then again I used my scraper tool and basically just rubbed the vinyl on top of the clipboard, and then using a sharp angle of about 90 degrees pulled off the transfer tape. Then repeated this process using the transfer tape again for the other design elements. In this case it's my daughter's friend's, her name, and it was for a birthday party, so I made a bunch of personalized gifts, including this really cool clipboard. Put her name on it to make it really special and make it hers so nobody can take it or use it. Again, just peeling off the paper backing after rubbing it on transfer tape, and here I am putting that name and rubbing it down really well with the scraper tool so you don't have any lumps or bumps. And as you can see in the background, I was actually doing this at a judo meet. Here's the finished product with the unicorn and the personalized name. So some other ideas are some personalized quotes. I made this for my husband's workers. These are some monograms, and it was available for free through Cricut Design Space. And lastly, I did also personalize the front of some of these clipboards with names. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like more, please click like and subscribe.